Hi,
Actually, I am
Sushri.
really, but now I am different professional, actually software professional. But my daughter is having this issue. But I am really enjoying this section, and I am thinking about my daughter. How I help my daughter with this music therapy and the art therapy. How I help from removing from autism from her. This type of things I am thinking like this only. This is not also helps us other also, but it helps my daughter to remove very shortly this that type of autism spectrum disorder like this only. Really, really enjoy, ma'am. Really nicely enjoy with you. Working with you very nicely. I'm enjoying.